What's up, beauties, and welcome to today's video. My name is Manders. This is my channel. We talk about makeup, skincare, sometimes we cook, and I almost always drop something. So if you're interested in any of those things, make sure you stick around, give this video a big thumbs up, and make sure you are subscribed to my channel. So today it's going to be a really quick video. We're doing something a little different. We're doing a Voxbox unboxing. So if you don't know what a Voxbox is, there is a website called Influencer that I am a part of where you can do online reviews, and occasionally they will send you something called a Voxbox, which is free products. You don't get to choose what it is. It's very random. I've received 3 of these in the past. So this is the first makeup one I've ever received. So I'm really excited and I wanted to make sure that I shared it with you. If you are already on Influencer, let me know. And my link for my account is down below. So you can go follow me there, as well as all of my socials on Twitter and Instagram. So this is my Marc Jacobs Beauty Voxbox from Influencer. So I honestly have never tried a product from Marc Jacobs Beauty, so I'm so excited that they sent me this. So it comes really nicely packaged like this. Open it up. There's a card. So this is for a mascara. So this is for their new at Lash'd Lengthening and Curling Mascara. So that's it right there. So I'm going to open it up and just see if there's anything it really tells you. So it gives you a couple pictures of some before and afters. It tells you a little bit about the product. It's supposed to be lengthening and curling. It says, finally, length, definition, and curl come together in one Ultra Luxe Long Wear Mascara. It's vegan, flake and smudge resistant, enriched with lash conditioners, biotin, peptide, and provitamin B5. So we're going to open it up real quick. So it comes like this. Oh my goodness, that is really interesting packaging. I didn't realize that's what it was going to look like. That is so cool. Do you see that? It's like got the black and the gold. That's really nice. And it's very sturdy packaging. It feels very nice. It's in the shade Blacker at Lash'd. Oh. All right, and that's it right there. That's a very nice brush. I'm not going to put this on because I am actually going to film a full get ready with me video, and I'm going to use this for the first time today. So I will link that somewhere up here. But thank you so much for hanging out with me. Remember, if you are not already subscribed to my channel, please do if you're interested in unboxing, skincare, makeup, and somebody who drops things and rambles all the time. I absolutely love you guys. Thank you for all of your support, and I will see you in my next video.